dramatic yung entry ko dito since I was assigned in Smoky Mountain, yung basurahan. And I was living in, I was a poor missionary. Ang mindset ko is, if you are a missionary, since seminarista ako, PowerPoint lang. Since seminarista ako, being with the poor, living with them is the ideal life of being a missionary. Right? Until my twist, since I was confronted with the reality na being servant requires financial capacity. And sad to say, I did not have that. Voluntaryo po akong nanirahan sa Smoky Mountain. And then there was this guy asking me 100 peso pabili ng bigas. Sad to say, wala ako nun. Umiyak ako, since gusto kong tumulong but I do not have the capacity. 100 pesos, pilit lang, pero ako mismo walang pambili ng deodorant. Okay? Kasi voluntaryo nga, walang sweldo. Okay, so dasal ako kay Lord, and then nakita ko itong opportunity. Dito ako nabaliw since ang first entry, attendance ko sa training, dito is ko sa third floor ng ating opisina sa Manila. Okay? From being an idealist person, na-twist 360, since yung speaker, janitor, at saka yung nag-closing, si Pastor Jangay. So, first time ko makarinig ng mga taong kumikita ng 200,000 per month, ng 50,000 per month. At the back of my mind, hindi yun nag-exist. Kasi kami mga seminarista, libre lang lahat. Nag-aaral lang kami sa seminaryo. We do not have any idea how to get that.